Okay, the German Prime Minister aircraft is coming. Is made by Airbus A340-300. This aircraft mostly used in Asia and now in the Europe, and now is the government aircraft.好，咁各位香港朋友，咁就而家就等緊個專機入緊去嗰度泊位嘅，咁有機會可能泊另嗰邊，可能影唔到噶啦。咁今日嚟講咧，就最主要嘅情況係咁嘅，就加拿大同德國咧會簽訂一啲嘅環境能源嗰啲合作協議，咁就將嗰個氫氣即係 hydrogen 咧就會話咧就輸出去德國，咁就一陣間應該會係喺 Port of Stephenville 嗰度簽一個協議嘅。咁就而家嚟講咧，就根據網上嘅資料啦，就話咧應該佢哋會逗留幾個鐘。咁佢哋今晚咧大約咧當地時間咧大約7-8點會離開 Stephenville 㗎啦。咁而家睇下仲可唔可以影到嗰個德國而家睇到啦，德國總理嘅飛機而家咧喺個跑道嗰度咧就會入去 testway 㗎啦，即係入去嗰個行道。咁咧而家應該會一陣間會有啲可能有啲嘅官式嘅拜訪啦咁樣食。Let me explain in English. German Prime Minister, his aircraft arriving at the Stephenville and now is in the runways and will be turned into the testway. And this is the first time since of World War II the two countries' Prime Minister meet together at the Stephenville, this city. And because they to sign the agreement to exchange the hydrogen to export to Germany, to improve and to solve the energy crisis of the current situation in European. Right now is we according to the news and the internet data, they should be arrive and then we will stay in Stephen for a few hours. So let's see for the next maybe few hours after they fly back to Canada and Germany. Let's see if I can have a chance to record their take-off, the view of the take-off of those aircraft. 咁就佢哋應該就會逗留幾個鐘嘅。咁嗱，各位俾大家睇下啊，而家呢架咧係 A340-38，以前咧國泰航空咧係有用嘅，咁咧而家就冇用噶啦。咁而家好少航空公司用嘅。咁以我所知，德國嘅漢莎航空咧即係 Lufthansa 都用緊嘅。咁咧而家應該係等緊咧 Follow Me Car 咧去咧引導去嗰個停機坪嗰度。Okay, the German Prime Minister aircraft is waiting for the Follow Me car to test to the spot to let's see how it's going right now. I think the ground control will send the Follow Me car to land the air to direct the aircraft to the parking lot, parking spots. Yeah. 好，前面咧見到架 Fong 卡啦，咁咧就帶佢行咧去嗰個 parking spot 嗰度啦。We saw the Fong car and then I believe the aircraft now is direct to the parking spot. 咁你今晚咧要睇情況啦，因為咧比較上難知道要幾時離開，咁所以變咗就盡可能咧就影佢哋離開嗰下啦。咁我哋可能就到差唔多到呢個為止啦。